everyone, I'm Lara and I work as a VA for the Daily Planners. And today I'm going to show you all the amazingness of the business planner from the Versatile collection. And I couldn't be more excited because this one is really good. So I'm going to dive right in and first tell you a little bit about this planner. I've also recorded a tutorial video which shows you all there is to know about purchasing, importing, downloading, and using a Versatile planner. And I will flip through all the pages so you can see everything that's included in this planner. This will all go a little bit fast, but it's just so much that I have to show you. So just know you can pause this video or change the speed settings at any time. Make sure to watch the end of this video to get a walkthrough of all that's included in Versatile Club, which is an exclusive digital library containing all the widgets and extra templates included in all planners of this collection. So let's start with the actual planner. This planner is perfect for newbies. You can start planning right away, everything is already laid out for you, plus you have an amazing community behind you if you need help. You'll find all the necessary resources here on the help page. Next to this planner being the perfect planner to start your digital planning journey, it's also insanely good for customization. With the hundreds of widgets you get access to as well, you can customize this planner to fit your needs perfectly. This planner is dated for all of 2022 and it has undated planning pages included, so you can use this planner forever. On the right page, you'll find all the information and quick links to join Versatile Club and TDP community. These are all the templates that are linked and included inside the planner. But remember, via Versatile Club, you get access to all the extra templates of all the Versatile planners combined. The custom index is where you want to be if you like customizing your planner or importing templates from Versatile Club. So these are all hyperlinked, but these are two. These 5 tabs are also accessible from any page in your planner by using these tabs. For example, these custom linked pages, you can add any widgets you'd like on these pages, but also like layouts or templates you can get for free in the Versatile Club. And you can make your custom pages right here in the custom index. As mentioned, this planner is for the whole year 2022, so you get all the monthlies and you can access to these by clicking on the tabs here on the right. To get to your weeklies, you can use these numbers here on the side. You'll get to the weekly page. To get to your daily pages, you can just click on whatever date number you'd like to get to. This is a daily page. This is the Sunday page, which you'll get with a weekly review page. You can, of course, customize your daily pages too with widgets and customize the page however you need it. So these are all the templates you get in this planner, but don't forget you get access to any template of any Versatile planner with the Versatile Club. as promised at the beginning of this video, I would show you the Versatile Club as well. It's a huge part of the Versatile collection, and you only get access if you bought any of the Versatile planners. All the instructions are included inside of the planner itself. At the moment of this video being uploaded to YouTube, only the first batch of Versatile planners have launched or are about to launch, which means only the extra templates of the planners that have launched up until this point are uploaded on Versatile Club so far. But it's important to know, as more planners become available in this collection, more extra templates and more widgets will be uploaded here for you to download without any extra cost. So basically the Versatile Club will stay super interesting because new goodies will keep being added here. Another important note, only the widgets and extra templates are being uploaded here. So this doesn't include any dated or hyperlinked pages. All templates on this page are single page PDF files meant to be imported into the planner that you have purchased. So I'm going to show you how the Versatile Club looks like. So here are all the widgets you can download. So for example, layout widgets, monthly, you can get here. You get a huge digital library where you all have access to if you buy a Versatile planner. And it's huge, as you can see. I'm going to show you an example. For example, time block widgets. You get the PNG widgets and the GoodNotes file. This is only a small example of how much you can get, because more and more things will keep being added here. Like mentioned, you also have access to the extra templates of any other Versatile planner. So you can use, for example, Life Minimal templates into your business planner. And this was it for the flip through. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video has made you confident to start your 2022 with one of the amazing Versatile planners. If you have any questions about the digital planners, make sure to check out TDP community over at thedailyplanners.com. You can ask any questions there or read posts with inspiration or questions from other people in this community. You can also reach out to the Daily Planners on Etsy if you have questions about your purchase. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see us in the next one. Bye!